Hi guys, Blake Troutman here, and I'm just going to be doing a little introduction on how to do this. Sorry about this here, just have to erase all this. Yeah, so here we have team 2, Team 3, Team 4, all the way up to 9. And here will be the title for this. It will be teams. So here's our teams right here. And you might see a little point right here. This just means that you can extend them all the way down to where you want it to be. So here's team 19. There we go. So we have team 10 goes all the way down. Yes. And we can also cut it, and you'll see this like little multi-line here, and then we can do this, all the way down to here, and then we can paste it. So yeah, so that's just a basic copy and paste, and how we do that is just right click, cut, you'll see the line, just drag down to where you want it, and then you press this paste button. Anyway, back to the basics. That's just, yep, perfect. Go paste. Alright, next we need to go to the insert. We can also insert a table here. And it asks for you to where to create this table. This table, we can go to right here, we click OK. So here is our column 1 of this table. It's just where to set it to, so I believe I set it to C1 and C2. As you can see, C1, C2. We can undo that. Yep. Yeah. Go to that again. So yeah. So there's your table. We can also go to picture. And we can insert another picture. Let's see here. There we go. So there we go. So here we have our picture. We can extend it to however high we want it to go. Long, it can go longer, it can go shorter. Also, what we also have to admire about this is is that you can choose your picture styles. Same with Microsoft Word, but yeah, you can do your picture style. There's so many of them. If you want like like a portrait with a little bit of a shadow here, you can see the shadow. And yeah, we can also go add a column. Now this is a little different than the one in Word because spreadsheets can also connect to Word. So here we go. We click that, and here's our chart area. Now we can change our chart tiles. We can move it. Let's do sheet 3. Okay. It just goes to a third sheet, which we don't have a third sheet yet. See 1, 2, 3. Here's sheet 2, sheet 3. Um, we can also go to page layout, where we can also, I believe we can go, yeah, page layout. We can change margins. Now here we go. We can go here to wide. This helps for if you're going to be making a graph, um, like a two-way graph. So here would be your negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your positives, and yeah. So what we can also do now is we can just do the normal margins. So yeah, so now we have that. So now that we have our margins, we can go to a formula. We can also use data. Which data, I believe, if we go to group, we can group other data that we have. So here would be if I had data, we would be able to group it. Um, we can also go back here to insert, and we can insert a text box. Just in case you're doing like exclamation video or something like that. So here we go. We can draw a little text box. We can enter what we want. And yep, there we go, guys. Text here. This is all about spreadsheets. Four main things about spreadsheets that you should know. Oh, also, what we can do in this text box, same as Word, we can change it to whatever we want. And if you don't like it, if it's too big or small, we can go to 8, or we could just type our own in. Let's go 3. Oops. Let's go 3. And then it goes really small. We can also go to any number we want, even if you're doing, so let's say a poster, we can change it to 107. There, I believe it can go higher. It can go to, yes, it can go to just over 1,000. And if I click one thing, it makes so many, or it should. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.